Hello, dears, how are you all? I hope everyone is keeping well. Today, we are going to see our first lesson Ghanti ki tan tan, sound of a bell, tan tan. This poem is about a grandmother who wakes up in the morning and scatters grains for birds. While scattering grains, she rings the bell tan tan. After listening to the sound of bell, many birds come and eat them. When they hear sound of any bird is coming, they fly away immediately. Now I am going to read the poem line by line and I will explain it in English. घंटी की टन टन मीन्स साउंड ऑफ बेल टन टन। रोज सवेरे उठकर दादी हैं छितराती दानों के कण छितराने पर कर देती हैं घंटी से टन टन। Every morning grandmother wakes up and scatters grains. While scattering grains, she rings the bell tan tan. घंटी की टन 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 सुनकर के पहले काला कौवा आता, काँव काँव कर जोर जोर से सब चिड़ियों को पास बुलाता। After listening to the sound of bell, the black crow comes first and makes sound काँव काँव. By making sound, he calls other birds near him. 3-4 गौरैया आती, 5-7 आते हैं तोते और कबूतर के 2 जोड़े जिनके पर चितकबरे होते। 3-4 sparrows come, 5-7 parrots come, 2 pairs of pigeons come, their feathers are painted in color. रह रह इधर उधर तक तक कर सब पंछी दाना खाते हैं। जहाँ किसी की आहट पाई झट सब के सब उड़ जाते हैं। The birds see here and there while eating grains. When they find sound of anybody's coming, they fly away immediately. In this poem, we learn to use sign symbols of Hindi vowels. Some words are given on screen. In part, A sign is present. Din, in din, E is present. Teen, in teen, E is present. Sun, in sun, sign of U is present. Pool, in pool, sign of U is present. Nrip, in nrip, sign of Ri is present. Rail, in rail, sign of A is present. Maina, in maina, sign of I is present. More, in more, sign of O is present. Bauna, in bauna, sign of Ow is present. So I hope you have understood this poem and the uses of signs of Hindi vowels. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet in our next video. Till that, take care. Bye.